What's up guys, shop work today. So we got a L5P Duramax we're going to be doing one of our D1 HP packages on. Anytime we're performing this installation, we do have to remove the factory turbocharger. Guys, we ran across a problem with this turbocharger. This truck only has 33,000 miles on it. Thankfully, we caught this problem before it caused a major engine failure. So now let's check out what that is. Alright guys, so we've got our L5P turbocharger here. Let's dive into it a little bit closer. First off, it's a VGT turbocharger, variable geometry turbo. What's that mean to you guys? It means that the exhaust housing in this has vanes and they change their position. When they do, it will increase or decrease boost pressure. Now that's where we run into an issue, not so much with the electronics, but with the compressor wheel, because we're going to be adding boost pressure to it, right? We're doing our D1 HP package. So our problem is whenever we try to spin this compressor wheel, put a little bit of side load on it, the compressor wheel actually wants to eat into the housing. Guys, that's a big no-no. So we're going to be increasing power on this. We're going to be spinning this turbocharger a little bit harder. We had to have a perfect healthy unit here to go back on that truck. So guys, we've got to get this unit replaced and put a good one on the truck. If this turbocharger were to, say, come apart, it'd go through the intercooler. If it made it into the engine, we could have severe engine damage. Guys, keep in mind, the truck was running 100% sound. Customer had no recollection that there was anything going on. This turbocharger has 33,000 miles. Maybe you've got an L5P you haven't checked out recently to see how the compressor wheel is. Anytime you're doing your general maintenance, you can check these out. It is a little bit of a task, but you may wiggle on that wheel and see if it actually spins freely. You should be able to spin it like a top. Alright guys, so we just started our L5P Duramax. Guys, right off the bat, you heard there's white smoke coming out the exhaust, the engine's knocking. We just performed our D1 HP package, so as you would assume, as I would think, we've done something wrong, we need to address it. But let's go into a few more details. It's a late 2017 model. We had a factory turbocharger on this truck, already fell at 33,000 miles and the truck was towed in. But the customer said there's no other issues with the truck. So guys, we uploaded the video, you've seen it. Let's dive in a little bit more and let's talk about what's actually going on. Alright guys, so the first thing we did is put the factory ECM back on the truck. That made no difference whatsoever. So guys, our two underlying factors here is we have a loud engine knock that sounds like marbles in a can, and we have white smoke pouring out the exhaust. Guys, every bit of that points to we have an injector letting too much fuel inside the cylinder. Now guys, as this truck comes factory, we have the turbocharger forcing air inside the cylinder, meaning it's burning any diesel fuel inside there. But guys, I want to take that away. I want this engine to breathe on its own. So that's the reason why I unplugged the factory hot side intercooler pipe, allowing this engine to breathe on its own, meaning any excess fuel inside the cylinder will be much louder now because it will not be efficiently burned. And guess what? We found the problem. So we found we had an injector bad, and more specifically on cylinder 5. Guys, this truck only had 33,000 miles. The customer had no idea he had a bad injector in it, nor did we. Of course, it was towed in. So guys, how do we actually find that this truck on cylinder 5 had a bad injector? Well, what we did is at 1200 RPMs, the rail pressure came up to around 24,000 pounds of pressure, and that's where this injector was shining more fuel, or better yet, letting more fuel inside the cylinder, causing that loud, erratic knock that you're hearing. That's a fuel knock. Guys, we went in, held the truck at 1200 RPMs, and we started one at a time, there's 8 of them, disabling each injector. When we came across cylinder 5, the truck did not blow any more white smoke and didn't knock anymore. So we went right to that cylinder, changed this injector. Lo and behold, the truck is working and fixed. Alright guys, make for sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Guys, we try to dish you out good content every single week, bringing you high performance diesel and repairs all day long. So guys, we just finished up on our D1 HP package on this 2017 L5P that I don't know if it's from hell or not, but here's the list. Guys, the truck came in, he did not know he needed a new turbocharger. We had to put him a new turbocharger on it. Guys, we started this truck up right after we finished our D1 HP package. We had white smoke rolling out and we had tons of engine noise. Guys, we went into detail. We had to put an injector in the truck. Got all that fixed, started the truck up, took it out, drove the truck. We had a blowout. So guys, customer's on his way with a new tire to get this package completely wrapped up so he can take it on its way. So guys, that's going to wrap up this week on the PBP YouTube channel. I think I'm going to go have a drink. See you guys next week on the PBP YouTube channel.